Good Friday! I beg for your patience. I made 2 videos this week I just wasn't happy with. I don't know why. I took them down. I've got a bunch of things I want to do. We're doing a small one right now just so I can get this off my brain. Let's stop yapping and let's get talking about this. For Chemex fans. I love this thing, but I hate this thing. This wood is over 50 years old. I refinished it, new leather, but you have to untie it and take this off to wash it. I don't want to damage this wood. It's over 50 years old. And when I do untie it and I try to memorize the over-under, I always forget when I'm retying it. It's very frustrating. I'm on Etsy and I see that they have a black plastic collar. And it's not the same. I can already tell that this is tapered down where the original isn't. It's supposed to fit the 3-cup Chemex. The top looks pretty close. This is a 3D printed collar. And I thought, in my infinite wisdom, that I could use this and I wouldn't have to worry. I could wash it, It's plastic, but it's not really plastic. The other thing, it comes with a easy release tie. This alone might be worth what I paid. I think it was $12 to $17. I'm not sure. This is a great idea for Chemex. And theoretically, I could use this with this. I wouldn't have to tie it. I still don't want to risk getting this wet. It's just me. It's a piece of art. That's its downfall. All right, so I bought this. It arrives with a little piece of paper. Care instructions. Spot clean. Keep dry. Avoid excess heat. So I contacted the guy that made this, and he said to treat this like it's wood. Apparently it's PLA, and apparently if you soak it or wet it too long, it may swell. Now I think I might be able to coat this with polyurethane, and that'll be a little bit of work. And I probably don't have to do that if I spot clean, but the whole reason I bought this was so I wouldn't have to care. I wouldn't have to worry. I don't even know if this is going to fit my green stamp Chemex. Let's find out. I tell you, I think that's the worst part of these Chemexes is let's take a look. Over 50 years old, refinished. Why would I want to get this wet? Even for a little bit. Okay. Let's see if these even fit. Thick side goes on top. Okay, so I think it's too big. I'm not sure. The circumference is too big. It's not fitting. Which is a shame. It's very wide at the bottom. That sucks. Right there. I was gonna take the time to polyurethane this. The top isn't too bad. But the bottom's pretty bad. Put this on. All right. You know, it looks nice, even if it doesn't fit right. The height is correct. It's functional. It's functional. Except it's a little loose and I have to spot clean it. Don't get it wet. That's the whole reason I bought it, so I could get it wet. And because the bottom isn't that thick, this kind of comes in when it should flare out a little bit. It should be kind of like straight up and down. So it's flaring at the top and coming down close to the glass when it shouldn't be doing that. Oh, how is that 3D printed? Isn't 3D printed supposed to be exact? Take the pretty wood and put the black tie on it. There you go. There you go. You know, that doesn't look that bad. It certainly would make taking this off easy. I may do that for now. And maybe I'll try to cast this in resin. Wouldn't that be fun? Maybe not. I have my questions about this, but if you want to buy them, they're on Etsy. Hey, thanks for joining me this Friday afternoon. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.